Lola said that's my nigga, I made him a million, now fuck it, we all rich. I ain't tryna have babies right now, so we fuck with a rubber, but I got a raw bitch. Know this money bring EV, you probably won't beat me, but bro, we can't be by no small shit. Overseas got the crowd doing mosh pit. Can't believe that I'm still in apartments. Businessman went and got me in office. $1 million deals, I get them often. $1 was serving on Spar Street. Holla G, he gon' stay with the chopstick. I got raw, that shit made me a monster. He bitch should notice my sister, my mamas. Now they houses as big as they want them. I didn't run up no motherfucking commas. Look at Lil Donna. Living like we in a race, I might come in first and second, but I won't ever be last. Lately I been in my bag. Bro told me don't take my foot off the gas. They give you an inch, gonna take you a mile. I'ma shoot by myself like a technical foul. City to city, got girls going wild, and I reach for my chain when I jump in the crowd. Lambo solo got a squad. We finally made it, let's pop us a bottle. I took the lead and let everyone follow. They know I'm running it right to the bank. They want me to ease up, I didn't leave them in the bleeding room. Sorry, I told them I can't. Heard you a rat, so you know what's gonna happen whenever we catch you. I run with them snakes. Peep all the moves I've been making. By the time I get 40, I gotta be one of them greats. Watch how I move with this paper. I know if I slip on one time, they gon' try to come take it. Really is it getting, these niggas be faking. I don't want they vibe, so they hand ain't shaking. She on that 42 straight with no chasing. I'm trying to get out of here and go taste it. Yeah, my diamonds be VVs. They don't wanna see us on TV unless it's the news. I got something to prove. Yeah, I'm young, but got something to lose. In the street, I didn't pay all my dues. No extortion, ain't talking about literally. I be walking on beats, is you hearing me? I just pray that my kids be a bigger me. They can't get rid of me. My diamonds be VVs. They don't wanna see us on TV unless it's the news. I got something to prove. Yeah, I'm young, but got something to lose. In the street, I didn't pay all my dues. No extortion, ain't talking about literally. I be walking on beats, is you hearing me? I just pray that my kids be a bigger me. They can't get rid of me. Wake up every day, somebody harassing me. I got rich, they need money, they asking me. I was sitting in jail, they look out for me. Ones who need me, no same ones who doubted me. I been handling my own, they can vouch for me. They'll way down with me, know that she proud of me. Turn the heat up, ain't nobody hot as me. Everywhere dollars be, that's how I gotta be. I didn't gave her the word, now she not leaving. Said she love me to death, told her stop breathing. He try to do what I do, but we not even. I want all of the beef, I am not vegan. Boy, you said it was.
Yo, what is good? What's good? Baron, what's good? Rosie, Mark, how we doing? Adam, good morning. Yeah, let me turn this down. Perfect. What's good, chat? How are we all doing today? Good morning. Wednesday, midweek. Good, Malenko. What's good? How's everyone doing? So, what's good, Max? What's good? Pivandran, how we doing? Chat, you're pushing here a little bit. What's good, victory settings? Good morning, chat. How's everyone doing? Good morning. So, we're pushing. We started pushing up yesterday. Yesterday was an interesting day, to be honest. But yeah, winner's day. Yes, sir. Now, let me get into this analysis real quick. And then what we'll do is we'll just chill out, man. Wait for a setup. But yeah, so the weekly time frame, what can we say? The weekly pretty much came to the area we needed it to come to, right? So yesterday, you saw us tap down into 2383. Now, this is quite a strong level here, like that you've tapped into before. I believe that was probably the area you needed to tap into before if you were going to push up. Now, I'm not saying we're going to push up completely, obviously, because the previous weekly was, well, look at it. I think you might need to come up and grab some more liquidity, so that might be what we're doing right now. Now, on today's daily, we've got room up until around 24.26. However, on the weekly, you've already come and tapped into that weekly level at 24.17. So where we are right now is a key area, and we need to see how we react before we do anything at this level here. But yeah, so if you drop down to sort of the 4 hour, you'll see that the previous 4 hour closed pretty much no top wick. It did close above, and this 4 hour now has come down and grabbed the bottom wick. But can you expect this candle to flip and drive? I don't know. It's 50-50 at this point, right? I don't know if this candle's going to flip. I don't know if it's going to stay and continue to push. So we have to be aware of both scenarios. However, you know, overall, I think buys probably are going to be okay to take us up to 24.26. But as I said, if we start to reverse here and start to push down, then we'll look for some more sells to continue this initial drive down from the start of the week. Now, on the one, what can we see? Well, technically on the 1 hour, if you wanted to grab some buys, you'd be good to do it above this area here, I'd say. To be honest, just above this most recent support, 24.18. That's also above this weekly level too, which is nice. I'd want to close above there before we actually manage to grab anything, because you wouldn't want to be taking buys right at that level with the chance of rejection. So yeah, I believe that's a clean level for us. Yeah, perfect. Push it up just a tiny bit. Yeah, 24.19 then on the dot. That's what we'll look for, to be honest. Great. For buys, 24.19. For sells, what can we look at in terms of sells? I believe as well below this area here. Just drag it down. Based off the left-hand side there, 24.11 below there should be good. Again, drag it down just a touch. 24.10.5. Let me see. Perfect. So yeah, any closures below there have brought you down in the past to at least, as a minimum, 24.05. That gives you 50 pips. Obviously, most of the times it's taking you down even further to, well, 23.91, 23.93, and then obviously 23.85. So you do start to come and close back below that level, you should be good to continue down. Chat, does that make sense to you guys? Hopefully it does. But that's the analysis for today. Essentially, I just need some confirmation on where the direction is going to go. Yes, we've come up right now, but obviously that doesn't mean that we're going to continue upwards the whole day. The daily's pretty close to a flip as well. Once you close below that level, you'd be having that daily reflip, and yeah, that's most likely going to signal you for sells to the downside. So yeah, man, same levels, nice, good stuff. Nice, nice, nice. Thank you, Ja. I appreciate it, brother. Yeah, how's everyone's week been so far? I actually only got a break even yesterday. I got some sells, but we got tapped out break even, unfortunately. It did rip down, but we got caught in, well, we didn't get caught in it at all because we got break even, but gold got caught in a little area here where it was just, oh sorry, here as well, where it was just rejecting it over and over again. It was a very weird, like, you know, very weird area where it just kept rejecting. I mean, yeah, it was very volatile, you know, pushing up and down over and over. It didn't want to make its choice until it eventually did, but by that time we'd already got stop break even. So yeah, that's about it. Currently I'm not sure which direction price is going. Yeah, but that's normal, bro. That's completely normal. You have to think, like, yeah, I don't have any idea which direction price is going to go yet. You just need that confirmation. You know, I have no confirmation just yet. I caught a sell just now, GG. Hey, good stuff, chart guy. 007. James Bond on the charts, bro. Good stuff. Caught the bottom yesterday off that major level you just spoke about at 88. Bro. Down here. Oh wow. Yeah, you did, didn't you? You caught it at pre-London, right? I remember you saying down here. Dang. Can't beat it, bro. That's a nice play. Very, very nice. Morning, Charlie. What's good, brother? Good morning, good morning. What's good, Catalin, Gabriel? What's good, what's good? Yeah, chat, so I think we've got some good potential today, to be honest. If it doesn't do what it did yesterday and just dry out in the middle of London session, just like completely dry up, then we'll be good. But again, need to wait and see on that. As long as the volume stays in the charts, we should be fine. Recently, London session has not been the best in terms of volume, right? One sec, chat. I draw the lucky card and I have a tonsillitis infection that also hurts my ear like nuts. Oh, bro, I hate those. Yeah, that's horrible, bro. Sorry to hear that, my friend. Today we have news, so we'd expect more volume. Oh, we do have news today, yeah. That's a good point. Thank you for the reminder. Yeah, chat. So we have a lot of red folders later on. You have Canadian news, 3 of them. You got PMI, and new home sales, which is an orange folder, but might have a small impact. And then, yeah, that's about it. But sometimes the Canadian news can have an impact as well, so don't completely rule it out. Yeah. Yeah, so that's going to bring us some volume there, but that's at 2:45, so that's interesting. Means you get a good amount of time to trade before that news and afterwards, which is nice. I've started to notice as well that a lot of the positions that we've been getting are in PM session for New York. So around like 4, 5, 6 o'clock UK time. And yeah, it's been super nice, to be honest. It's been really, really nice. Maybe if you haven't looked at it, try and consider trading that. Hello, what's good, Cookie? Welcome, welcome. Yeah, drop a like for the analysis there. I appreciate you all very much. If you enjoyed that analysis, obviously it was a very simple sort of breakdown, but nonetheless, it's very important to understand sort of the dynamics of the market that you're in. So, yeah, oh, you're pushing. Interesting. What's good, Zare? How's it going? Finally some volume, yeah, trust me. This 15-minute candle came down straight away without grabbing a bottom wick there. A top wick, sorry. Been a bit low today, brother. What's going on? No, I just didn't sleep too much, so that's all, man. I'm gonna grab a coffee in a sec. As in, I'm gonna get a coffee made for me. Perfect. Taking a yawn position. Yeah, that's what it is, man. I'm just trying to pump up the yawns. Who's making my coffee? Undisclosed. Have you noticed that lately gold doesn't care much about wicks? It just drives? Yeah. I mean, it does care about wicks, but it's been making them less. So, yeah, I'm actually working on a sample size position, something to do with that. So, yeah, stay tuned for that one. It's very interesting, but I understand. I've been noticing the difference in the wicks, yeah, for sure. For sure. If you can start to notice when it doesn't make wicks and why it doesn't make wicks, then you can sort of sample size that. I'm sizing yawns for real. I might actually have to call it the yawn play, I can't lie. Call it the little yawn. What we were talking about in the coaching group yesterday, we might call it the twinkle toes. I don't know why, but I think it sounds quite cool. Creed, what's good? Good morning, what's good? No, good morning, SG. Good morning, fellow traders. May you all have an awesome flash news. May these flash news fill your pockets with huge gold nuggets. Hey, I appreciate it, bro. Remy, what's good? Yawn play, bro. Textbook. Twinkle toes is a bit fruity for my liking. W name there. That's the point. I reckon that's the point. Try to make it as fruity as possible. I'm joking. That's crazy. Yeah, thank you, Creed. I appreciate you. Are you going to see this 15 flip here, or is it going to continue to push? Oh, my days, chat. What's going on? Oh, the new headphones, bro. Yeah, they're elite. Definitely the best headphones I've ever had. I don't know if they're the best out there, because I haven't had every headphone, right? But they're pretty sick. They're better than like Beats headphones. The only thing I'd say that might be bad is that like you have to be careful because in the gym they might fall off your head. They like, yeah, they're a little bit more easy to like drop off your head, but that's it. What's good, Michael? How you doing, brother? Long time no see. What's good, Neo? I reckon they're up there with the top tier ones. Yeah, the noise cancelling is like different level, absolutely different level. Like if I toggle the noise cancelling on, it goes from literally being like I can hear everything to pretty much nothing. What's good, Tiger? Good Crypto Maniac, how's it doing? So fruity normal copy. Absolutely genius. Absolutely genius. Chat, you got 10 minutes to this hourly close here. So, yeah, it's pushing though. Interesting. If the 4-hour close is bearish, then you can sort of take that as an indication that you're going to continue downwards, right? You've got some more room on the 4 actually until about 24.08. That's also the daily flip too, before you even get there. If the daily can flip and break those lows, it should be gone. I also don't know if we've grabbed enough liquidity to start a push up just yet. I feel like this is most likely just a higher low. Oh, sorry, a lower high. I always get those like, not getting mixed up, I always say the wrong one by accident. But yeah, point stands, right? This could essentially just be a lower high. You came down on the 4-hour, came up obviously where you're making these highs, then you made a lower low. You broke these lows here and these lows here. You broke all those lows there. And then you might just be coming up here making a lower high and then continue to come down. But yeah, we have to wait and see exactly that. Chat, I hope you guys are enjoying the content though recently. I've been pumping out like a lot of videos since I got back from Monaco. But yeah, the Arctic review came out on Monday. The quality on that is pretty insane, to be honest. That's way better. Wow, I was way overexposed. Oh, I need to just black coffee. Perfect. Yeah. What was I saying? Oh yeah, so the quality on that was pretty sick in my opinion. And then obviously all the videos that are going to keep continuing to come out, it's going to get better and better as we go. It's going to be, you know, leveling up consistently. So super excited for it, to be honest. Super excited. And then I started posting more different videos on Instagram. I don't know if anyone saw, but if you did, tell me what you think of like the new trading style videos, the new like more long form but based on Instagram. So we have videos like, yeah, like this one about like technicals, so drawing your zones on your charts. I'll do one on stops, I'll do one on everything. But yeah, then just some more motivational stuff too. What do you think though? Thank you. Okay, thank you. Yeah, I like it, bro. Alright, good. Nice. So, what did the 5-minute do here? 5-minute closed. Decently strongly bearish, okay. I'm hoping that we can, to be honest, just get a nice little closure here. Can we take this as our level instead? Is that a better level? Or did we look to the left and there was... Yeah, okay. It was this thing here. I mean, technically you could class that as a fake out, but I don't want to try and force an earlier position, right? Not worth doing that. Definitely not. But yeah. Chat, you're coming to the end of July. I'm interested to see how everyone's improving over the years, or over the months, sorry, this year. Hopefully, as long as you just, you know, It doesn't matter if your results are better, but if your trading has got better and better over the months, even just a little bit, then that's a W, right? What do you guys think, chat? Has your trading been improving? Has it been... Hopefully it hasn't been declining, but... Yeah. That poll, there you are. I agree, I've gotten better, good. Improving like mad. Good stuff, Max. Important. Yeah, as long as you're making progress, that's all that matters. It doesn't matter if you're, you know, not there yet, or if you're, you know, still making mistakes. Oh no, did I say year one? Oh, I did. Oh well. Wait, I'll read it, because that's going to piss me off. There you go. Alright, I fixed it. I'm new to trading. Can you tell us how did you started and how to grow my trading account? How did I start? Yeah, I just was working a job. Actually, I started uni. And then I, you know, wanted something to do to make myself money. So I've sort of Googled basically side hustles. And then, yeah, discovered trading. And once I discovered that, that was it really. Just started learning, trying to find as many resources as possible. Failed for about 4 or 5 years. And then, yeah, became profitable. Sorry, 3 or 4 years, not 4 or 5. But yeah, you get the gist, right? Essentially, just it's all about trial and error. It's just about consistency, about continuing on your own path, continuing on your own journey, being reflective and making adjustments, and yeah, sticking to your plan. In terms of how to grow your trading account, what I would say is you want to get a second source of income that you can consistently deposit into your account. And then obviously you want to grow your trading account through trades only, right? You don't want it to be a savings account where you just deposit. Not only, but also. You want to be depositing as regularly as possible, but also giving yourself the opportunity to grow it through your trading. So the way I would do that is just by risking, you know, between 1 to 4%. And yeah, just staying consistent, taking the process slowly. Don't try and do it too fast, and then it'll eventually, you know, it'll eventually come. You can't focus on the growth of it, like the growth of the balance, until you've got the skill down. Because until you've got that skill down, why would you, you know, why would you be able to grow the balance without it being luck? Look who it is, Mr. Eugene. What's this guy doing here? So gold's closing in about 2 minutes here, chat. Are we gonna just close in the range? Probably, right? Probably. Yeah, I mean, it gets a little bit tough when you just start closing the range like this. 15's just flipped. 30 minute and 1 hour is obviously still bearish though, so it doesn't mean you can just take buys straight away based off of that. Obviously the 4 hour close is coming in like an hour's time. That's probably going to give us the actual indication of the direction for the day, or at least for the session. We'll stay on for that. And yeah, we'll watch where it goes and see if we can grab some potential positions. If the 1 hour gives us nothing, we'll wait for the 30, etc, etc. You're respecting the support now on the 30 if you close up here. Interesting. Yeah, that is interesting, chat. So if you can sort of reject this heavily off the bottom of the range, close respecting this 30-minute support here, you should be good to come up to the top of that range. Obviously the one's still closing bearish, so it's not as if we can take that position just yet, I don't think. You need some stronger confirmation first, but yeah. About to make Bix. Bro, you love Weetabix way too much. Bro's addicted to the Bix. So you did end up closing, basically respecting the support on the 30-minute. 1 hour close bearish though. Top wick first. Interesting. Very interesting. Again, chat, you've got no real clear direction here. You need some more indication of where we're going to go, essentially, right now. Until we have that, not much I can do. So we'll wait for the 30-minute closure, see what happens there. But again, chat, listen, we're not going to force anything, right? We're going to stay disciplined. It's been a good week so far. We just need to continue, stay consistent, and all of that good stuff. That's literally it, man. That is literally it. For the 1 hour flipped, after opening up top wick first, you might see a wick fill here, but again, not something I can take. Oh, this coffee's like boiling hot. I'm just trying to figure out how to drink that. I'm gonna burn my mouth off. I mean, that's good. Straw is crazy. Metal straw. Yes. Ice cubes. Yeah, but I can't go get ice cubes. I'm trapped in my desk here with a coffee. Undrinkable. Torture. I actually use one. Use a metal straw with boiling hot coffee, bro. It's ridiculous. It's gonna burn your mouth. That makes no sense, bro. That metal straw is gonna get ridiculously hot in about 10 seconds. I'm into that stuff. Crazy. Crazy talk from Eugene. But yeah, chat, listen, I'm super hyped for this community. I'm going to bring some cool things soon, I promise. Also, yeah, there's a giveaway in the Arctic video, so make sure you don't miss that too. If you go check that out, stay to the end and see how to enter that giveaway. I'll be giving away a funded account too. But it's funded by me, by the way, just in case you wanted to know. Like, it's me giving away the account. It's not like a sponsored thing. I should leave it sit for a few minutes until it's cold. All other options are exhausted. Yeah. That was the plan, Mr. Crypto Maniac. All other options are gone. Gold will never let you know its next move. I know, it likes to keep us on its toes. Or on our toes. Yeah, chat, I watched Lone Survivor yesterday. It's the first film I've watched in probably months. I just had a bit of I don't know, last night I was doing a bit of work whilst watching this film, and it's a crazy film, bro. It's just the whole thing is just one gunfight. Kind of nuts. don't know if you've seen it, but there you are. SG's film review of the year. My trading's gotten way better in 2024. I haven't full margin for the past 30 minutes. Crazy. 30 minutes without a full margin is nice. Shit PA recently. Yeah, it's not been the best, bro, but again, there's not much you can do, right? London's been bad PA, but actually New York's been quite nice, I'd say. Watch out, I'm gonna give this a try. Ow. Gotta wait for the red folders. Yeah, trust me. But to be honest, pre-NY has been... Also, what the fuck are you doing up, Calm, bro? I swear it's like... What time is it for you? It's gotta be like 4 AM or some shit. What's good though, bro? How you doing? How you doing, Calm? Yeah. 1 AM. Okay, that's not too bad. That's not too bad. Yeah, man. Pre-New York's been decent though, recently. Sort of 11, 12-ish UK time. It's not been too bad. But yeah, that's a good point. So potentially you'll see gold range until news later, right? That's at 2:45. So in about maths please, about 5 hours. And yeah, after that, obviously I've got no clue where it's going to go during the news, but that's going to bring some volume, and then obviously the volume sort of stays for a little bit afterwards too. Yourself and your journal has been a massive help. Prior to using your journal, I was stuck at B for some time, which was still an improvement. Now I have improved a lot. Thank you. Hey, let's go, Ben. Good stuff, man. I appreciate that. Very, very glad to hear that. That's huge. Good shit. Good, Saddam. How you doing? Slap. Yeah, should I do it into the mic, like a ASMR thing? Be like, my bad, chat. I bet that was horrible. My bad. Some poor person's just watching the stream, like not doing, like doing something else or at work, or Remy's at work. Yeah, and he just heard me slurp a coffee over the mic. Insane. Alright, chat. I apologize. I was looking on the right to see if it picked up like the volume, because my mic obviously has got noise cancelling, and it'll just like, sometimes it doesn't pick anything up. I just saw it go to red straight away. I was like, oh shit. But you know when the coffee's too hot, you have to like sort of just, otherwise you're gonna burn your mouth if you take a full sip. I don't know, man. I'm waffling. But chat, again, the 1 hour doesn't know where it wants to go yet. Started to sort of form some indecision. Just here to drop a like. Got an exam in 30 minutes. Ah, Noodle Hawks, bro. Good luck. Good luck with your exam, my friend. I'm sure you're gonna kill it. Just wait for a bottom wick first, yeah? And then you'll be good. Make sure you wait for that bottom wick. But yeah. Exams out here, you know. God, I do not miss exams. What are you anticipating this morning? To be honest, brother, at the minute, I've got no clue. As in, we've got no direction. We're literally in a range at the minute. And yes, this is a bit of a wider range that I've sort of plotted out. But it's the one that makes the most sense. And yeah, I think that, to be honest, we need to close outside of this range before we can do anything else. But I'd actually change this. Actually drop this level down a little bit. Only 10 pips, but still. That makes more sense to me. And we can use this as a break-even point. Why won't you try currencies? Why would I? I used to trade currencies until I realized that staying to one pair is the most profitable thing you can do. One or two. I mean, you can trade two or three or whatever, but no more than that. No more than three, I'd say, at the max. I think you need to understand how to master one pair before you move on to others, right? Any trader you ask, even if they trade multiple pairs, they'll tell you that the first thing they did was master one pair, and the first thing they did actually, which is the same as me, obviously, the same as most traders. The first thing you'll do is you'll get like a whole list of like 12 pairs, and then you'll be like, yeah, I'm gonna trade all of these, I'm gonna get more setups, no one else has thought about this, and then it doesn't work out, and then you realize why someone, you know, the next, like, some trader that you watch or whatever, you realize why then they only have one or two pairs, and then you go, ah, okay, then you dial it back to one pair, and then you realize, okay, let me master this pair, and then if you master that pair you can move on. But yeah, pair is like a go. You gotta finish that analogy. Also, yeah, I wouldn't trade a currency if it was gonna be another pair. It'd be like US30 or NAS, right? Or NQ. Because yeah, currencies are slow as fuck, you're right. Hi Dylan, what's good? Good morning. Question: why is your sell not below 2409? Just because I think on the 1 hour 2410 is the cleanest level. You know, you look back, right? You'll see that 2410 is respected the most of the time. Can't have too many girls, it's hard to keep track of. Yeah, okay. I hate you. I'm gonna try to not say that too loud. No, I'm playing. But yeah, I agree. Tap into 2410. So 2410 in terms of why it's not 2409, bro. I just think like level is 2410. Maybe on a lower time frame it'll be 2409, but yeah, for me it's clean. Like, you're rejecting off it every single time. Yeah, it works perfect for me. You have to have a bigger heart to trade currencies though. Why is that, bro? Spread and lot size relationship on currencies are trash. Bro, I used to think that when we used to trade EURUSD, the main reason was because you could get tiny stops, right? I remember I used to have like 5, 6, 7 pip stops on EURUSD, and then I'd be like, yeah, I can pop a 10 lot, I can pop a 15 lot. But then you realize, oh, it actually only moves like 5 or 10 pips too. So it's not like you have tiny stops, but then it moves a million pips. It's yeah, it's a relationship. It's like a, you know, correlation. Bro, my trades always hits BE or a loss in currencies. Yeah. But it just moves differently, right? You have to think, obviously it makes sense, you're trading a different instrument. You're not trading any, you know, you're not trading basically the inflation hedge. You're not trading a worldwide asset anymore. You're trading, you know, two currencies. Same if you trade like NQ or US30, right? Or Dow Jones they call it, but you're trading a different instrument. Now you're trading companies. You're not trading, you know, a commodity anymore. So obviously it's going to move different. It's an entirely different market. It makes sense that it moves different to everything else. The same with like, I would assume, not I would assume, but from what I've seen, right, gold and silver move quite similarly. So, you know, obviously it's not exact, but you'll see, like, you look at this, keep that in your mind, and then keep price action from gold in your mind. It's very similar, and the reason is obviously fundamentally it's a similar market. The finite resource, it's a commodity, you know, bound to move similarly, but currencies are completely different ballpark. Yeah, it's like I don't know, It's like being a professional baseball player and then trying to play basketball. Unless you're MJ, it's a bit difficult. You know? But yeah, chat, so we've got 20 seconds here to the 15-minute close. You're starting to push down again, which is nice. I'm very interested to see how this 4 closes. To be honest. Very, very interested. So we'll stay on probably a bit later today if we can, or if there's possibility for a setup, right? But yeah, until then, there's probably not going to be anything unless this 30 closes below. Does the strategy work for silver? I don't see why not, brother. It works for most things, right? It works for pretty much every pair. Let's check though. Let's check. The only thing you really need to see is whether it respects levels or not. Right, which it kind of looks like it does. Yeah. Yeah, I'd say it works. I mean, I can't say it works, sorry. I'd say it looks, you know, like it respects. I've never traded it with you know, silver, but yeah, price action should play out as normally, right? Maybe we should sample size silver, why not? We could become like the first. Actually, yeah, it's obviously not the first, but I don't know any big traders that trade silver. Bro, chat, no way. I just got... Again, bro, I showed you this yesterday. I'm so glad I blocked them from my card, but... Wait, I just need to clear my other notifications. How do I do this? Bro. Apex, bro. Again. Like, they just tried to charge like 15 more. That's insane. Honestly, fuck Apex. The one prop firm that I've actually had problems with. Ever. Actually TFT too, but that's an obvious one. Report them, bro, I have, but... I mean, it didn't go out, right? So it's fine. I blocked them from my card. I literally just froze the card entirely. And moved, yeah. I don't want to support my finances, but yeah. I just stopped them from taking cash out. But they tried it, is the most important part. They tried to take it. Always positive, man. If I may ask, which time frame do you draw your support and resistance? And which time frame do you do your entries? Yeah, it's a good question, bro. So, Joe. The main thing is... Wait, bro. Is that... No, okay. Trying to see what your profile picture was. The main thing is, whatever time frame you're taking your entries on, is where you need to, you know, do your levels. So if we were looking to take a 30-minute trade right now, I would change my levels based on where the 30-minute was. So most likely you'd have to drop them down a little bit or push them up, but you never move them towards price. Yeah, so you have to, you know, you have to sort of do the levels for the price point that you're, you know, taking the entry on for the time frame. So if it's on the 1, mostly we do our levels on the 1, obviously, because for me, they're the cleanest, they provide the most structure, and that's what I've had best results with. But if I wanted to drop down to the 30-minute, then, you know, I'm more than okay to do that. You know, we would just move our levels. To be honest, at the minute, the 30-minute looks good with the current levels that we have. So I wouldn't really need to move them too much, but yeah, you just have to be aware of all time frames. So yeah, the 30 looks clean actually like this. You probably just move it down below this area here, but either way, if you wanted to take a 15-minute time frame entry, you'd need to do your level for the 15-minute. If you wanted to do the 5, same again, right? And if you wanted to do the 4 as well, then that's when it gets a lot different too, because for the 4-hour time frame, Well, right now, what do we have? We probably could have, you know, we could probably have a level up here. We could probably drag this down. And then you could probably classify this as a fake out. And then you could look at potentially a continuation down till all the way down here. Now, obviously, you do have some rejection areas here, which I'd be a little bit concerned about. But after that, you're pretty good. So, again, the levels do massively vary depending on what time frame you take the trade on. They're not paying a lot of individual traders, only influencers. Oh, really? That's interesting. To be honest, I do know a few people like Calm. I'm pretty sure you got payouts from Apex. I don't know if he's still here, but bro, yeah, just fuck that. That's so scammy. I'll just a Swift 2 more as well right now. Just spamming it out. If you're in the UK, or not in the UK, but if you're outside of the US, just stick to Forex props, honestly. Firstly, they're easier. Secondly, if you get a reliable one, you can just rinse payouts and it's not going to be a problem. Like, I've never heard of anyone getting a payout rejected from ACG when they didn't break the rules. Like, you know, every influencer that I know who's requested a payout with ACG, if they didn't break the rules, they got the payout. And if they did break the rules, they even still got like a partial payout or something. So yeah, same with FTP, right? I've never heard of FTP rejecting a payout either. And Arctic. So we'll see. Obviously, chat, that doesn't mean they never will. And I would obviously never say a firm is 100% safe. You have to be careful with everything. You know, I'm not just going to shill you some shit like and say it's 100% dead cert because anything can change. But at the minute, there's certain ones that you can see that are safer and certain ones that aren't. So, yeah. I'd also be careful, like if you're gonna listen to an influencer talking about a prop, make sure that they're not one of those influencers that switch props every time that it goes down, bro. I saw some traders the other day. I was looking at this. I saw some people. First they were with TFT, then they were with skilled funded traders. Then they go to like another prop, and then they were with funded peaks, and now they're not with funded peaks anymore. And it's like, bro. So you just like fully pushed a prop firm, 3 different prop firms or 4 different prop firms to your followers that you said were 100% legit, great firms, and then they all go down and you just say nothing and move on. Like what, bro? That makes no sense to me. How are you meant to like? How are your followers meant to trust you? Like, how would you guys trust me if I did that? It's crazy. I don't know, bro. Anyway, that's my rant over. What's good, F now? What's up? Got 13 pips from Adrian today. 2 hours wait for the setup. My day off today, so no break. Bro, good shit. You can chill on the stream with us then. That's huge. Good stuff though. Good discipline for waiting for that setup. That's important, man. That's very, very good to hear. You sat there for 2 hours, waited for your perfect setup, and then took your 13 pips and left. Sounds like a great session. Sounds like a great, great, great session. Oh wait, what happened to my level here? They changed my level by accident. Ah, there you go. Actually bought an ACG prop, 100k challenge on phase 2 and have 3k to go. Hey, let's go, bro. Huge. Better use code SG. I'm playing, bro. But nah, good stuff, bro. 3k to go. That's like, yeah, 3%. You're chilling. You're chilling, bro. Yeah, chat, I had a trade yesterday. on my Arctic funded, right? And I was up 7%, and I needed 2% more to pass the account. I was like, okay, I'm gonna let this one run. It ran 1.7%. I was like, okay, TP's the full thing. Then it went all the way back up to my break even. What? It was like $300 off. But again, nothing was telling me I should have closed, so I stuck to the plan. And yeah, can't complain. But it's just funny how you can get so close and then it just like rewinds. Classic gold, eh? Morning chat, what's good, Matt? How you doing, brother? So chat, we've got 35 minutes to this 4-hour close. I'm looking to see if we can grab some more volume here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stay on till probably 10:30, 11ish. See if we can, you know, watch that next 1-hour closure after the 4, because a lot of the times that's what's bringing a position for us. But yeah, I would say that we'll do that, and then after that we'll jump off, play some pixel letters, and then I'm gonna go hit back day, and then obviously I'll be back for New York session and we'll run it up together. Yeah, I had an idea though, chat. What if I traded what if I live stream New York session but the PM session? I don't know how many of you guys actually trade the PM session, but yeah. Where do you stream from New York session? At the minute I don't, brother. At the minute I don't. I trade it in my Discord, right? But I don't stream it currently. What do you mean PM session? So in New York, obviously, and in London too, but you have a PM session and a AM session. Obviously, AM session is when the investment banks and everything open from like 8 a.m. US time till 12. Then they go to lunch and they come back at like 1 and trade and continue. I believe it's like 5 p.m. UK time. I jump on until like till 8ish probably. Nice little PM stream. I don't know. I see a lot of setups performing during that. If we look at my journal, you'll see like, let me just load this up. Let's see, we get a lot of trades during the PM session. Statistics. Yeah, like here. So you get like, but a few trades at 6, a few at 5, and a few at 4 too. So like, yeah. They play out quite well. We had a break even at 5 o'clock, but either way, right? Not too bad. Or maybe I'll just stream the regular New York session. Like, I don't know, maybe I'll just stream. Can we have the same journal? Of course, brother. It's free. You just do !journal. You go and grab that. It's yeah, completely free. Yeah, everyone can get access to it, of course. But chat, drop a like if you haven't already, man. I appreciate you all for pulling up. You guys are killing it at the minute. Absolutely killing it. Let's try grow this grow this stream back up to what it was before. I don't know if, again, I don't know if it's a shadow ban or a view glitch or whatever, but yeah, you guys are absolutely killing it. Shit, we're already on 50 likes. I didn't even need to ask for it. Huge, man. You guys are insane. Yeah, let's try to get 75 then. Why not? We're here to support the G. Nah. It's all your community, man. It's not my community. I'm just the person presenting it, right? You're technically supporting yourselves. Thanks, really appreciate great content and analysis all the time, 100%. Let's go, man. Thank you, Joe. Chris King, what's good? What's good? Were you formerly Chris Roy, like ROI, or was that someone else? Because that also means Chris King, but in French, nah? Good XYZ. This guy's back. What's good? I want to know who voted no on the poll. Who voted no that the trading hasn't improved. Because I want to know why. Okay, no worries, Chris. I was just wondering. Yeah, because people change names all the time, and then I just like try and figure out who was who. But who voted no on the poll? And if you did, why? Like, how come? We're not gonna like. I'm not gonna grill you or anything. I'll say it should be. But I want to try and help you out. So if your trading hasn't improved this year, you know why? It wasn't me, but maybe should have been. Nah, you're good, Remy. You're good. You're good. It's good, Ranko. Bro, chat, I want to watch this video later. Bro got a solo eagle with Bryson DeChambeau. That's nuts. Solo eagle's crazy. I don't think I've ever got an eagle in my life. What's good, Max Gaming? What's good? What's up, my Vietnam guy? No way. Not the Vietnam allegations again. They're back. They're back. What's good, KB? Just an FYI, the link to your journal isn't working for me. Comes up with bro. I need to change it because I changed my WAP thing. Yeah, that's my fault. Sorry, bro. Yeah, good point. Thank you for the reminder there. I appreciate that. Instead of wap.com/trendlines VIP, it's now just wap.com/trendlines. So you go over there. Don't worry, I'm not trying to sell you it. It's free, obviously. That's just a link for you to grab it. But yeah, that's the link that works now. But yeah, I wanted to change it because it's way easier to type and it looks cleaner. Just wap.com/trendlines. No way, fellow Vietnamese. Bro, one day we'll beat the Vietnamese allegations, chat, I promise. I promise. Bro, I never understood that. Sus. I can't even remember who it was that came into the chat and just started saying I look Vietnamese. Was it you, Takun? I can't even remember. Someone did it. Where did the allegations come from? Bro, no idea. Someone just came in and was like, are you Vietnamese? And I was like, what do you mean? He was like, you look Vietnamese. I was like, no, I don't. Yeah, you do. Okay. Guess I'm Vietnamese. I don't know, man. Hello, I'm from Vietnam and I'm sure you're not, you don't look Vietnamese at all. Yeah, I know, bro. I'm quite white, so. Especially if I do this, eh? I'm super white. I think you are. Fair play. Why not trade during your US session? There's no volume right now. I do trade during US session, bro, but I stream during London. Now you're yellow. Alright. What about this? What if I hit you with this one? Huh? Now what? Super white. There you are, that's better. I'm quite white. Yeah, bro. What else can I say, man? That's yeah, I don't know. Which time do you prefer to trade? I like trading both, brother. I like trading both. It's just at the minute there's not much volume in London. It's not as if there's like always no volume. You know, we've had times where there's been lots and lots of volume. F number. I'm gonna just delete that just in case YouTube shadow banned me. But I like it. It's a good comment. But yeah, I don't know. Are you 100% fish and chips? Yeah, basically. I'm purely English. That's it. That's it, man. What's the next trade planned in gold? We're waiting for a closure below or above this range, brother. We're about 20 pips away right now, but yeah. You look German. I don't know if that's a compliment or not, but feel it. Trend lines to buy at 2 a.m. 4-hour salary. Is that a good trade? Bro, I was looking at the same trade. This trade here? Yeah, huge. That's a great trade. A really, really good trade. I was looking at, well, I wasn't up for the 2 a.m. one, but I was looking at this daily flip here at 1 here. But the 1 hour had no bottom wick, so I couldn't take it. But yeah, the 4-hour salary is a great, great trade. He had some good stops too. Had like, yeah, 55 pip stops. TP was probably, for me would have been either here or here, right? At 55 or 80 pips. So 1-to-1 or above. But yeah, good trade, Colin. Good stuff, man. Yeah, chat. You guys are killing it, man. Appreciate you all pulling up again, as always. How did you first get into trading? How did I first get into trading? Yeah, so I've told this story a few times, but essentially, when I was in uni, I was a little broke student. I don't know if you know how it works in the UK, but you get money based on how much your parents earn or whatever to support you. And like, if your parents earn even over like a tiny amount, you get like basically nothing to go to uni with. So I was broke, essentially. And I wanted to figure out, I didn't want to work a job because I wanted to focus on my studies and I wanted to figure out a way to make money. So I initially got into NFTs and crypto, made my own NFT project. Well, actually I started trading crypto a little bit, just buying actually. And then it was during the bull run. So everything I bought magically went up like crazy amount. I was like, oh shit, this crypto thing's fun. I didn't realize that I was just actually in a bull run and you could sort of throw money anywhere and make a lot of money. So yeah, that's what happened. And then I made my NFT project. We sold out on that, which gave me a decent bit of money to live off of for the rest of uni. And then I was like, okay, you know what? I'm going to trade this money and make it more. And then I got wrecked trading crypto, absolutely wrecked. Like I tried to scalp it like we do now, but in a different way, like trend lines and all of that stuff. But yeah, it didn't really work out, right? So I just continued to try that for ages, pretty much wiped out my entire balance on that, which was like good 5 figures trading crypto. And then I was like, you know what, something needs to change. Let me just do some more research. And then I found futures and I tried that for a bit. And then I found Forex and I thought it was way easier. Even though I didn't like the reputation of the people that trade Forex, like that Forex trader reputation is shit, to be honest. So I just started trading gold, and then yeah, that's how it sort of happened, man. And then like 4 years down the line, we're here. Thank you for sharing, brother. We all been there or will go on that path. That's the only way to learn, bro. Yeah, 100%. I'm a very strong advocate of taking losses, like taking your own losses throughout time. You have to learn any lesson. I think you just have to get burnt. I don't think there's any other way around it. Maybe if you're super disciplined, you don't have to do it. But like if you're just like me, a stubborn regular person, you're not going to learn any lessons until you actually get burnt. I don't know, I think I had a bit of an ego when I first started. I thought I was like smarter than everyone. And I thought I didn't need to follow the rules of like, not over leveraging, not over trading, not all of this shit. And then, yeah. You get wrecked and then you realize, okay, I actually have to stick to this stuff. And that's how it goes. But like I said, man, bro, I'm trying to be serious here, and I got Eugene and Crypto talking about a handful of nuts in the morning. That's crazy. I just look out the corner of my eye and I'm seeing that, and how am I trying to stay serious? Insane, bro. This week, 2 trades taken based on the 4-hour area with low risk. Still testing that 4-hour entry. Yeah, good stuff. Keep testing it, bro. Keep testing it. Grab that data. So use the journal. So this is exactly what I'm doing, right? For my entry here that I'm looking at taking. Okay, like I'm using the journal to sample size this play. And yeah, like you just have to, you know, collect the statistics. Obviously, I've only taken like, since I started journaling them, I've only taken probably 10 trades on it. But yeah, once you get more data, it's going to get more, you know, more accurate, as we said yesterday. How can I get that? Where can I get that journal? You just go to wap.com/trendlines, and then it's free. So like, you go over to my WAP page. Obviously, it's got stream signals and all that stuff. But then you go and click on the free. I already own this product, but the free journal, the trend journal here, the best FX and futures journal. Then it's free, and you click on that, and then once you click get access, it's going to give you like a link to it basically, and then you've got it. Simple as. That's it, bro. That's it. Yawn playing full effect. But chat, 19 minutes here till this 4-hour close. So again, we'll do a reanalysis. We'll do a reanalysis just before the 4-hour close, maybe 5-10 minutes before, depending on where it's looking like it's going to close. But we've got some potential here, obviously, to take us down to at least 24.08 if the 4-hour close is bearish. So yeah, lock in, chat. You want entry here, trust me. How long did it take you to become profitable, and what helped you become profitable? Yeah, so I don't know, becoming profitable is more of like a journey. I would say, you know, you don't just get profitable at one point. There's not just a moment where you're, you know, okay, now I'm profitable. But to be honest, it doesn't matter how long it takes, right? Everyone says, how long does it take you to become profitable? And that's really not the question you should be asking. You should be asking, what can I do to become profitable? And, you know, if it takes you 10 years, but it takes someone else 6 months, it's just unfortunate, or it's just, you know, it's part of life. If you get to the point where, you know, it's taking way too long, then maybe sort of reconsider. But at the end of the day, everyone's going to have a different journey. Everyone's going to learn at a different speed, and everyone's going to need different things to happen to learn these, you know, the things that they have to learn to make their own mistakes and to continue forward in this journey. So time pressure is a thing that you really don't want to put on yourself. Don't worry about, you know, I need to be profitable in two weeks time, in 2 months time, whatever, to make certain goals, or I need to do this, I need to quit my job by 2026. Bro, trust me, just do the work consistently and it will happen. And when it happens, good. But until it happens, don't worry about the time. And that's what I'd say, bro. Mr. Spion, bro. Wait, I need to add that. Let me add that real quick. Exclamation mark, clip that shit. Put the glasses back on now too. Yeah, you're pushing here though, which is nice. Really nice. So, yeah, can you sort of come and close below this level? That'd be really, really cool. All right. Exclamation mark, put Spion on payroll. It's got, yeah, to be fair, I gave him access to the group too for free, so that's technically his payroll for now, but when he becomes mod god, we'll get him there. Is it gonna work? Yeah, there you go. Be on 50 pips an hour, bro. Crazy. 50 pips an hour is an insane salary. You're gonna have me working overtime on the charts to pay him off. You're like, fuck. My girl will be like, "Why are you working so hard?" It's like, bro, I gotta pay Spion 50 pips. I'm only at 49 pips for this hour. Shit. Or just drop it down and we'll pay it with a 0.001 lot. Nah, but it's incredible. I was gone 30 minutes. I come back and that guy instantly goes into clipping mode. I know, bro. I know. I was thinking about going full screen cam as well, but I thought, you know what? That's too much. Too much. You enjoy psychological warfare? Bro, what? What a question is that? A little bit. Here and there, bro. Here and there. Alright, chat. So the 15's closing here. I believe you're closing... Yeah, you're closing bearish below the most recent. So you're slowly trending down here, but... Yeah, you know as well as me, right? We haven't had a single entry here. Not one. Not even something resembling even close to an entry. So... No onions, no nothing. Just... Yeah, weird PA. So... Yeah, I don't know. Is that a Call of Duty game? What, Call of Duty psychological warfare? There's no shooting or anything, right? There's just like, you just stand there and just try and outmaneuver your opponent psychologically. Just try and like, I don't know, give them anxiety or make them feel bad about themselves. It just opens trading view, yeah. You just show them their MT5 and it's all red. That's all it is. It's psychological warfare. Telekinesis. Crazy. Now telekinesis is where you can move shit. With your brain. You're thinking of I don't know, what the fuck is that called? I don't even know. Can I say, what's good, AJ? I'm doing very well, brother. How about you? I'm doing very, very well. Got 13 minutes disclosure. Lock it in a little bit, man. Focus up. Is the force from Star... Yeah, it's like the force from Star Wars. That's telekinesis. Bro, I don't know why, but I was thinking about the film Matilda when she moves like the pen and shit with her brain. That shows how different my film watching thing has been. Telepathy, that's what it was. Yeah, thank you, Tutti Fruity. That's what it is. That's what I was thinking about. That's what you mean with the mind reading thing. Telepathical distracts. Insane. Yeah, in the future chat, when everyone's got a Neuralink in their brain, you can just like look at your boy and just go, you'd be like, what the fuck? Bro, I don't know. Future like that makes me laugh. I want to see if I can find that video from that little ginger kid. I found it. This kid, bro. He's so funny. It's not even his page, but I was trying to find this on stream like months ago. And yeah. O'Reilly. Bro. I don't know. I thought it was funny. Trading view with ads. Midnight, you know. That kid actually pops off sometimes. Yeah, bro. That kid he's got like 12 videos on Instagram and all of them have got like 20 million views. Crazy. He actually pops off. You gotta actually respect that kid. I can't find his Instagram though. I don't know if he got taken down, but I don't know what his name is. But yeah. Anyway, chat. 11 minutes here. Let's see, man. Can we grab some in? Can you do an analysis? Yeah, I'll redo an analysis in a sec, bro. Yeah, let me actually do that because it's been a while. I know that most people join before the analysis is even done. Sorry, after the analysis is even done. So yeah, I'll do that in a sec. But yeah, let me do that. Let me do that. Also, sorry, just before I do this, the Greece vlog's coming out on Thursday, so tomorrow. Bro, I cannot wait for it. The Greece vlog is actually going to be insane. Yeah, man. I'm super, super excited for that. Need to message my editor. Nice. So, chat, yeah. Let's drop down and do this analysis again. Weekly time frame, as always, right, is still bullish. As, like, you know, from earlier, I mean. We're still bullish, but obviously the previous weekly grabbed a lot of liquidity and closed bearish. Now, obviously, you do want to see this candle reflip and break the lows. If it does do that, you're going to fill this range. I'm almost certain. But you look at the daily time frame, right? The daily actually tapped into a very key level yesterday. You'll see that we sort of have a previous resistance, which is now essentially turned into a support here. If you see 2390 around that area, this used to be quite a strong resistance that we tapped into a few times and rejected off of multiple times. However, now that we closed above that, right, you can classify this as a fake out in my opinion. But either way, now that we closed above here, we've retested this once, twice, 3 times now. And yeah, you started to push up off of it. So potentially on the daily time frame, you've got room all the way up until 24, 26 here. However, the weekly time frame obviously is a different story. You've got sort of a more bearish story, and that might play out on Friday or it might play out on news whenever. But yeah, you've got conflicting daily and weekly right now. However, on the daily, having respected this support now, I believe you can probably push up a little bit further. Saying that, right, we're coming towards the 4-hour close now in exactly 8 minutes and 30 seconds. So what do we need to see on the 4? Well, obviously you have a level here at 24.15. If you can close you know, above that level, sorry, you've closed above that level previously. If you can close back below it, you've essentially got a fake out going on here. Now, the only thing I would be worried about is actually you have some sort of minor levels down here. I would say 24.12, 24.10-ish, 24.12, sorry, which you have rejected off of also in the past. So I would need us to probably close below those again. And if you can do that, like we look like we might be doing now, then you've got some room to come down till, I would say, as a minimum, 24.05, somewhere like that. Now, obviously, you would need top wick first, that sort of thing. And you've obviously got some 1-hour sort of structure forming as well, which might make that a little bit more difficult. But bearing in mind, as it's a 4-hour closure, what we can do is we can wait for this closure below here, below 24.12, wait for a top wick, and then get in off of the flip on that. And then once you do break below there, you know, you're going to be targeting down here towards, I would say, 23.98, maybe even further to be. Whoa, you guys want to see a massive trading panel there, but there you go. Yeah, maybe even further, to be honest. It's just depending on how this 4-hour closes, right? Because if you see this 4-hour close above 24.12 but below this area here at 24.15, then you've got somewhat of a fake out, but you've also sort of closed at a resistance area, sorry, a support area to the left. So it's very important to see a clear closure here. Now, drop down to the 1 again just to see how that actually affects us. The 1, yeah, you do have some sort of structure here at 24.11, 24.10 like we previously had on our charts. But I do believe, to be honest, if you can close here at 24.12 or below, you should be good to push down. So what we're going to do is we'll wait for that to happen. We're going to have our break-even point probably, I would say, around here, 24.09-ish, depending on where we close. And yeah, that's what we'll look for. So we'll look to take advantage of some sells here if this 4-hour closes below. But obviously, I'm going to need to see a top wick first, and I'm going to need to see a, you know, the 4-hour leaving at least some sort of a bottom wick. But hopefully that makes sense. That's like the 4-hour analysis that we've got done there. So obviously it's very different. And like someone asked earlier, which time frame do you have your levels on? Obviously, if I've got, you know, a 4-hour trade that I'm looking for, I'm going to take the 4-hour levels. But yeah, so we've got 5 minutes to that closure right now. And let's see if we can't grab something. Let's see. But yeah, chat, drop a like for that reanalysis, right? Second analysis of the day. Yeah, drop a like on that. And yeah, if you're new to the stream, I don't know if there's many new people since we I think we might be shadow banned, but make sure you drop a subscribe down below. Double analysis, double pips. That's what the rule is. I've heard that. Making me shake my legs. That's crazy. That is crazy. Insane, bro. Yeah, click the notification bell too, because like I said, we're not getting pushed in the algorithm anymore because of the potential shadow ban. So yeah, otherwise you won't get notified when we're streaming, which is not good. No bien. Bueno, both. Bien et toi? Bloody French. What's good, SCXT? What's good, what's good? You're pushing here though. Interesting. I get. Wait. Yeah, chat. Every time you closed here in the future, crazy. In the past, mad. Trend lines can see into the future confirmed. But nah, every time you've closed here previously, you have continued to push down, right? So yeah, to at least I would say the minimum point you tapped is down here at 24.09. So we can take advantage of that for sure. That would give you around 20 pips. Let me load up this broker real quick. Okay, we're good. Load that up. 5 minute. Oh no, that's a one. Why am I on the 1 minute chart, bro? Don't need to be on there. Yeah, so chat, 3 minutes to this closure. Let's lock it in here, man. Let's lock it in a little bit. Let's see if we can grab something. If not, we can potentially wait for the next hourly closure or the next 30-minute closure. But yeah, obviously see if we can grab something off this 4. What you want to see really is you want to see this 4 pull back a little bit, leave a bottom wick. So you want to see it pull back like, I don't know, 5 pips, 6 pips, something like that before the close. And then you want to see it come up straight away, no bottom wick whatsoever. And then obviously you want to see it flip. That's it. Hi bro, how are you? What's good, Robbie? I'm good, thanks. I'm very good. How do you chart around market gaps? Because I'm having a situation where either side of the gap could be a level. Basically, just change to FXCM rather than the Oanda chart, because the Oanda chart is shit and there's loads of gaps. FXCM, there's no gaps. So that's what I'd say, bro. Swap to that. Some money, what's good? Power sell, brother. We're looking for some sells here, my friend. Oh, Michael, it's a good thing if I'm showing up on your feed then, brother. That's good. Hoping it doesn't pull back before hitting my TP. I'm hoping it does, brother. If this 4-hour closes no top wick chart, or no bottom wick, I'm going to be mega fuming. Nah, I'm joking. We'll be chilling, but it's obviously not ideal. Nice. 1 minute headshot. Let's see if you can close somewhere like this. Maybe a little bit higher. Even better. But yeah. Let's just wait and see here. Yeah, you always do, mate. As soon as I load up YouTube, you're the second vid always. Ah, huge, bro. I appreciate that. That's good, man. That's good. That's good. I'm glad to hear it because Yeah, some people told me that they didn't even see me when they searched my name, which is crazy. Stops above the 4-hour highs? Yeah. Not too bad. It's 70 pips. For a 4-hour entry, that's actually not too bad. But we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Because obviously, firstly, we need the closure. Secondly, we might end up grabbing a wick entry. I don't know. Also, when you come down and tap into 2409, you're coming towards that daily flip too, which is another confluence for us. Yeah, if you can grab that daily flip, that's even more important. Oh. That might be the yawn play. For real. Oh my days, the volume has just disappeared into thin air. Let's see the chat. You got 3 seconds here. So we just closed right now. We come up first to make a top wick. Okay, I need a decent top wick here though. Somewhere around, I would say, 24.14 would be ideal. If you can come up and tap there, that'd be great. See if we can do that. Let's see here, chat. Lock it in. We flip and drive here, chat. There's nothing I can do right now. This is not enough of a wick for me. Let's see, chat. Can you push up a bit further, please, before flipping? Whoa, chat, this volume's insane. Oh my days. It's moving way too fast. Oh, someone tell the Telegram too. Someone make sure to tell that Telegram group real quick. Let's see, chat. Let's see. So, starting to push up a little bit here, which is nice. Still not enough, really. Yeah, I want to see us push up a little bit further, to be honest. Hopefully you see some volume pick up a little bit, like a couple of minutes into the candle. Normally it dies off straight away, but it does actually pick up a little bit later, so sort of like 5-10 minutes afterwards, which is okay. Just need to see a decent top wick here, somewhere around like, yeah, like we said, somewhere 24.13ish. Somewhere around there would be good. 24.14 would be even better, obviously. There you go, that's a nicer push. Cool, chat. So, what I'm going to do here right now is I'm going to have a sell stop on the flip of this candle at... Whereabouts is that? Whoa, I moved that by accident. 24.11.8. That's where I've got my sell stop. 24.11.8. I believe that this 4-hour candle needs to flip down and fill this area here to tap into 24.09 before it does anything else. We do come up further and print some sort of, you know, something that indicates an entry, then we can look at taking a wick entry potentially, but at the moment, not yet. I've just got my sell stop here ready. Stops are going to be above the 4-hour high. So yeah, stops are relatively large, to be honest, chat, but obviously that's the most logical stops for us. Once you break that high, that's the daily high too, right? So you're going to continue up most likely. So yeah. That's where I've got my stops, and then take profit's going to be down here at the bottom of this range at 23.98.49. But we're not in this yet, chat. It's just a sell stop right now. Okay. Got a 5-minute closure here in a minute too. Let's see what happens with that. One actually looking for wick entry sales. Potentially if we push a little bit higher, yes. At the moment, not yet. I need some more confirmation too. But it's a nice little 4-hour closure, to be honest. I think that's a perfect little fake out back into the range. Close below all of the levels to the left as well. So you should have some decent clean traffic down here. Obviously it's a 4-hour trade, so it might take a little bit longer to play out, but we've got a bit of time, right? So I'm not too worried about that. Let's see though, chat. Let's see. Obviously the higher we come up now, the better it is. Until you get closures, right? Until you get like maybe a 30-minute closure or a 1-hour closure or something like that, then we can look to sort of say, okay, like let's delete here. But trades based off the 4, right? And the higher you come up, that just means the more liquidity you're grabbing. So yeah, let's wait and see. But see the telegrams here, bro. The telegrams decided to pull up. Chat, if you just came in now for this trade, drop a like. I'm more than happy for you to take a free trade with us, but make sure you leave a like if you do. It's only fair. Only fair. Cryptomaniac told the group, 100%. So yeah, so this line here as well, just before is going to be our stops to break even point. Actually, how big's the wick, Phil? Potentially, depending on how it's looking, we might go break even on the wick fill. But let's see. Coming close here, chat. Are you going to get activated, or is this 5 going to reflip and make some more liquidity for us? I don't know. Let's see. Isn't adding risk a good option, bro? As no bottom 4-hour wick. Thoughts? Adding risk, what do you mean? I'm not going to take a position here, no. I'm waiting for the sell stop to get activated. Are you going to add a pineapple or add on a position? Nah, bro. We haven't even got in the first one yet, so I don't want to think about adding just yet. Let's see though, chat. Can we try to get to 100 likes? That'd be much appreciated. Yeah, you guys are getting the value for completely free. And I love that. But I only ask for a like in return, that's it. And a subscribe, but that's it. Just 2 things. Sorry, bro, I thought you were in just as I joined. No, not yet, bro. It says right here, sell stop. Wait, you guys can see that on the screen, right? You can read it. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it says sell stop not activated, just here. Yeah, I had nothing as well on the higher time frames telling me that, sorry, on the lower time frames telling me that we had a sort of entry. Yeah, if there's 5 flips, then so be it, you know? We'll potentially, grab a bigger wick, and then when you do flip, you've obviously got a lot more orders being grabbed in order to drive, right? So that's not too bad at all. Yeah, so the 5 flipped. Okay, cool. See what happens here. Chat, I'll be back in 2 secs, yeah? I'm literally just gonna go do something. I'll be back in 2 secs. What? Okay, and that's TP hit. GG's. I'm shaking. Imagine. Imagine. Actually, I have my level at 24.11 after 30 and the 1 hour. It did not close below. Can you explain your level? Yeah, the 4 hour, bro. The 4 hour level down here. Alright. The 4 hour closure is stronger than the 1 hour closure. And yeah, you close below on the 4, so I think you've got some room to push down. As a minimum, I think this 4 hour needs to come down and grab some more liquidity before it does anything else. I want to see a top wick be made for the previous 30-minute. Yeah, potentially. That'd be good, obviously. The more you come up, then great. But I think, to be honest, you've grabbed... I don't want to say you've grabbed enough liquidity, but you've come up to this area before and sort of rejected off of it. So I don't think this is too bad either. So what about a wick entry, bro? What's the criteria for you? Or you prefer no wick entry? Now, wick entries are they're viable, you know. It's possible. But I need, firstly, I would need more liquidity to be grabbed for a wick entry. Secondly, I need something to show me that it's not just a continuation upwards, right? So I'd probably need somewhere around 24.14. Yeah, and until that, then I wouldn't have anything just yet. But if this flips, you know, you can easily fill this wick, and then once you fill that wick, that's your advantage point. And you should continue to drive at that point, or either, you know, reflip, and we'll be break even by that point anyway. So yeah. Would previous 1 hour stops work? Shouldn't really break that high after flipping, right? I don't like previous 1 hour stops with a 4 hour trade, to be honest. Purely because it can easily break the one high. And I got a load of shit for this on Instagram the other day, because I posted a post where I moved my stops. But it looked like I moved it halfway through the trade, but I actually moved it at the very beginning, I'm pretty sure, or close to the beginning. Yeah, I moved it from the 1 to the 4, because you could have just broken that 1 hour high and then continued to flip, you know, after that. So that's why yeah. But I'm not the biggest fan of doing that. But you could test it, and yeah, you could potentially do it, but I think the win rate will be a little bit lower. You might have a better risk to reward though, for sure. If this 5 flips, you're probably going to come up, break the highs, and then have a little bit more liquidity being grabbed, which would be nice. Volume's a bit dead right now. 2. But yeah, we'll see. Got a 15-minute close in 2 minutes time. Obviously, if you can continue to close bullish, then bearish, then great. Or weak bullish. Okay, you're coming towards the flip here, chat. Can we get activated here? I'm still not okay, now I got activated. I got activated in sells here, chat. Based off the fact that this 4 hour came up, made a top wick, and has now flipped. Looking to target down here at 24.09 as a minimum. But let's see. So, can you come down and continue to flip? Yeah, if we re-break the highs, so be it, right? So be it. I think you've got some potential here anyway. I think you should come down anyway and fill this range. So, let's see. As a minimum, you should be tapping 24.10. Let's see here, chat. See what the 15 close does too. That's going to be important. Closure. Obviously, if you look at the previous 4, right, you'd expect... Well, you have to think, would this 4 just drive up randomly out of no reason? Probably not, right? You probably at least need to get a bottom wick. I got on a little risk free for this one. Hey, let's go, Neo. Good stuff. Good stuff. Can we push down here, chat? Once you re-break these lows again, you should be good for a drive. Interesting rejection on the 1 though. Not that that plays too much of a game on it, but there you are. The 15 closed sort of weak bullish. I mean, I guess regular bullish kind of. Again, trade's not based off the 15 though, so it doesn't play too much of an impact. Would have liked to see a top wick first too, but again, didn't happen. Let's see here though, chat. Obviously, a lot of time here. Freaky price action. Freaky's crazy. Chat, the Telegram's real, man. 100 people in here now. I appreciate you all very much for pulling up. I feel like it's a lot more, but yeah. You selling G? Yeah, I'm in sales right now, brother. In sales right now. You would expect this 4 hour to fill the wick as a minimum, right? Okay, so you reflipped it. Can you break the lows? 15 still has no top wick, which might be an issue, to be honest. But again, trade's based off the 4, like we said, right? Based off the 4 hour, not the 15 minute. Okay, chat, so you rebroke the lows. Can you see a push to fill this wick here down to, I would say, 24.10. 0.6, that is. That puts you at around 10 pips. Yeah, around 10 pips. Again, chat, don't get too excited, right? The 15's got no top wick. At any point, this can flip, so you need to be a little bit careful here. Can we push it? We need some volume. There you go. Nice little bit of volume. Need to fill the wick now. There you go, chat. That's close enough for me for a wick fill. So this is now going to be a risk-free trade. Stops to break even here. I'm not closing anything just yet. But yeah, this is now going to be risk-free based on the fact that you've come down, filled most of the wick. And now you've got no 15 top wick too. So any given point, this 15 minute could flip. We saw about 9 pips profit max there. I didn't close anything, but stops to break even. So that's a W, chat. We're risk free now. And then obviously this can either re-break the lows and run, or if we get tapped out, so be it, right? That's literally it. So be it. Yeah. So congratulate yourselves on that one. Obviously, if this 15 didn't have, if this 15 had a top wick, is what I'm trying to say. You'd probably be a little bit less aggressive, but again, any point that can flip. So you just want to see it re-break these lows here, and once you do that, you should be good. And you re-break the lows. I think you re-broke. Did you re-break your own lows there? Did it re-break its candle low? Nearly. It didn't quite, I don't think. You might struggle here, chat. You got a little bit of a area on the 1 minute, that is, too. So, yeah, let's see. Alright, chat, cool. I'm going to close half my position here at 10 pips. Just to secure something for the day. Why not? So it's closed half there at 10 pips. Nothing major, but there you are. That's a little bit of a dub secured there. And the rest of this can run now. So obviously, let me just do this. Move these stops to break even. And yeah, we'll see if this runs or see if it doesn't. But yeah, 10 pips secured either way. So absolutely dubs. My handsome face is covering price. My bad. Yeah, you broke the lows now. So you filled the 4-hour wick. That's the minimum that we expected to see, right? We expected to see that 4-hour wick being broken. You just did that. That was essentially what the trade was based off of. So yeah, drop a like if you haven't already. You sat around... oh, there you are. There's a little push. Lovely stuff. You're sat around 13 pips up right now. But yeah, I'm probably not going to close anything else until we reach, I would say, 2408, around that area there. That's where I think you should tap into at least, to be honest. But yeah, give yourselves a pat on the back for that one, chat. That's an absolute W. Congrats. Let's just see how this runner goes, man. I closed half exactly 10 pips on the dot. Yeah, same. I think mine was like 9.8 or something, but I don't care what you think, chat. I'm counting it as 10. Nah, cool. Cool. Dubs, man. So, hang on, yeah, let me actually just let me make a video of that chat real quick. Spam some dubs for me. Spam some dubs. Spam some dubs, man. Alright, thank you, boys and girls. Appreciate you all very, very much. You started to push a little bit further here. What was the peak we just saw? I think we saw like 15 pips. Yeah, I saw like 15 pips there. Okay, decent. Decent. Let's wait and see here. 2408 is going to be our next target. And then we're actually going to let... Once we tap into 2408, we'll let runners run till 2400. Yeah, we'll let runners run till there. Let me move my stop. My take profit, sorry. So we'll put a take profit down here all the way at 2400. I can't even reach that far down on the screen. Move it a little bit further. 2401, 2402 is where we'll put it. That's fine. Okay, chat, perfect. I'm going to close another half here at 10 pips. Sorry, 25 pips. Just because of the way that you push down there. Yeah, so close another half at 25 pips. Not 25, sorry, 20. 20 pips, my bad. Yeah, so that's actually was 19. So yeah, close another half at 19 pips there. 5-minute closed with no bottom wick, and the next one came down, so you might get wiped out here, and that's the reason for that closure. But secured 20 pips there, which is decent. So yeah, that's just another half closed, just because of the way that we tapped into that 2409 area just there. But yeah, you might see a rejection here, unless this 5 can re-break its low, but it doesn't look like it. You might get stopped out. So yeah, let's see. That's not a nice closure for the 5-minute. If you can survive the 5 top wick, then maybe, but yeah, that 5 no top wick really got us there, to be honest. That really got us. Yeah. Cool, chat. So we just hit break even there. So absolutely W trade. We secured 20 pips on that one. Absolutely W. Make sure you give yourselves a congratulation there. Pat yourselves on the back. We do this every single day, man. Every single day. GG's. And yeah, that's the trade for today, man. So obviously we didn't get that massive runner that we plotted out just now, but you'll see this is exactly where we needed to tap, right? I mean, 2408 is what we wanted, but after that 5-minute closure with no bottom wick, you saw that you'd essentially start to reject. So yeah, give yourself some dubs. Wait, let me I'm actually going to redo that video because we closed full on this one. So chat, spam some more dubs for me real quick. I appreciate you. If you're in here still, spam some dubs, as many as you possibly can. Get it pumping up, and then yeah, we'll call it after that. Give me some dubs, man. Give me some dubs. Spam it. Cool chat. Thank you guys, absolutely killing it. Absolutely killing it. So give yourselves a congratulations for that one. You guys did super well. Great management. And yeah, if you understood the trade, even better. Yeah, absolutely W. So 20 pips secured. I know it reacted quite fast, so potentially you didn't get that. But yeah, we actually, I don't know. I'll check afterwards, but I'm pretty sure we got that 20 pip closure. And yeah, guys, that's going to be it for today. So we'll play the game. We'll play Pixelize, obviously, as always. But that's going to be it. I'm not going to be taking any more trades on stream today. So if you do want to dip off, if you're part of the Telegram Pip and Dip Mafia, then yeah, I appreciate you all very much for pulling up. Make sure you drop a like on your way out. And yeah, if you're staying for the Pix letters, do that, man. Good shit. You secured something where someone else got liquidated. Yeah, trust me. Oh, can you show how to journal the trade? Spion. I definitely can, brother. I definitely can, especially for you. Chat, look at that. We knew there'd be a reaction there, though, and we knew that we just had to take advantage of this little bottom wick. So W's, absolute W's. Let's see. Great. So yeah, journaling the trade. I can help you out with that for sure. So this trade was taken. What was the date today? 24th. 24th of the 7th. I'm not even typing on the screen. That's not good. I'm just gonna drag this down actually. Drag that down. So it's the 24th. We took it on gold. What time did we take the trade, chat? Someone tell me. Actually, I'll just check. We got entered in 10:13, I think. So 10:13. Automatically gonna put London. We took sales 0.5. Obviously, this lots is just random. I just put it so that everything was the same. Setup was a breakout on the 4-hour, and we took the 4-hour flip too. So a very simple trade to journal on the 4-hour. Then high time frame confluence was there wasn't any. The 4-hour was pretty high time frame. And then yeah, let me see. Wait, let me just get chat up. Stop loss basis was the previous wick on the 4-hour, which was 70 pips. Now you got a stop loss time frame. 4-hour break even point was the wick fill. Did you go break even? Yes, you did. Then the trade idea was to fill the rate. Actually, it was flip and drive. So we wanted it to flip and drive. Liquidity grab was a top wick, and you only actually had 14 pip top wick. But there you go. Let's say we closed half at 10 pips, and then we closed another half. So what would that be? I'm just gonna put that basically at 20 pips. You come out with like, yeah, 10 pips roughly, something like that. But final closure pips was 0 because we got hit break even. Stops to BE, perfect. Then you're gonna go to the left here, exit time. What time did we get out of the trade, chat? 10:22. Okay, perfect. So 10:22. It was a 9-minute long trade. Max drawdown we saw was like 2 pips, probably 3 pips maybe. I'll put 3. Exit opportunity, no. I don't know what the outcome's going to be yet, but break even would have hit, and optimum closure would have been 20 pips for us there. So yeah, optimum closure is essentially like the highest you could have closed. How do I change the color of the instruments I add? Because mine are all white. You just go to, well, on here, like these instruments, you'd have to go to this thing here, and then you'd have to go into the little, you know, question, like pencil thing or whatever it is, then change it on there. But yeah, and that's it, chat. And then obviously you put a link, so you just like basically copy that link there. And yeah, very simple, very simple. But W's, chat. That's how you journal the trade. Yeah, a bit of a speed run, I can't lie. But yeah, that's all we've got right now, chat. So jump on the Pix letters right there, and we'll call it W stream though. Absolutely W stream. Perfect analysis, perfect education, and yeah, that's all we're looking for. So give yourselves a pat on the back. Oh, can you explain how you spot BE area? Yeah, give me 2 secs. Let me just post this real quick. So okay, cool. I'm just gonna do it later. Hopefully it doesn't delete itself. Check and save it. There you go. Safe. Anyway, break even area was basically you either get the wick fill. So we had the 4-hour wick fill. I think I did a explanation of this yesterday, Spion. I don't know if it was clipped, but Yeah, so you can either have a 4-hour wick fill or a minor support and resistance. So in our case, we took the wick fill on the, obviously any time frame you can take it, but in this case it was a 4-hour. And then you had you know, you had a minor level here at 2409.3, and 2408 was the other level that we could have gone break even. But yeah, that 5-minute no bottom wick really fucking cursed us there. Otherwise, I think you would have run. But that's it. Can I get the Telegram link? Bro, I don't have a Telegram. You want that now clipped or what? No, it's fine, bro. I didn't know if it was clipped yesterday, so they could have seen it, but it's fine. Don't you worry, Spian. I'll give you a rest. Chat, what's the word here? Yeah, Eugene's got it. If there is a Telegram of us, chat, I don't own it, right? What is this word? Oh, I thought you have one. Thank you. Now, good. Chat, I don't want to fail this. What's the word, man? Drake? Is that all it could be? I think it's got to be Drake. That is actually a word. It means like a river. It means like, I think a drake is like a small river. Yeah, something like that. I don't know. But like, Drake? Yeah, it is, bro. Insane. I know my words. I'm word man. Chat, should I start a Telegram there? I don't know if I want to. I feel like they're a bit scammy. I don't know. I feel like the aura behind a Telegram is super scammy. Yeah. What is the word? ID. Yeah, sure. I've got no clue what this word is, chat. No way that's a word. That was just a bullshit guess. There's no way tiddy's a word. That's insane, chat. Titties, you know. Tidal. A great guess, Matt. And to you through afterwards, but yeah, good shit. That's a great guess. Apple, bruv. That's good knitting. Yeah, apple. Not quite. I just accidentally typed beans in chat, but there you go. W stream, my brother. Thank you, Yusha. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Atomic Habit. All good, brother. Appreciate you for pulling up. Max Official Gaming. See ya. Yeah. Appreciate you for pulling up if you're dipping, chat. Much love. You guys are killing it recently. I appreciate every single one of you. Really do, by the way. Like, I really do appreciate every single one of you that pulls up. Yeah, man, it's super. I don't know. It's a great community we got here. Oh shit, Funded Peaks just closed down. Oh shit. I think. Wait. Bro, I saw this coming a long way away. Wait. I have to step away from Funded Peaks. Oh, mad. I just saw this now. Someone just sent me it, but yeah. Fair play. So if I open a trading account, have some sort of capital, and just follow your calls like without knowing much about trading, that would still profit me, right? I mean, technically, yeah, but like you want to learn it too. Yo, M10, what's good, brother? Welcome back. What's good, bro? Yeah, you want to learn the skill too, bro. But yeah, technically, bro, yeah. Yeah, M10, I'm good, bro. We just took a dub on stream, so we're chilling. What is this word? Someone's got to help me out. Thank you, bro. Hope all is well with you and enjoying the summer. Yeah, bro. Definitely. How are you? Chat, someone's got to help me out here. So hyped for the August-December trading period, bro. Yeah, Q3, Q4 is the GOAT. WSG, bro. You're such a dub, man. I appreciate you, brother. Bro, what is this word? Struggling with this one. Yeah, me too, Matt, bro. This might be a rare petal. Oh, Tutti Frutti comes in with a clutch. It can't be petal though. It can't be petal. It can't be the fourth letter can't be a. Uh-oh. What does the red and green pixel means? So the red means that there's not a pixel. I don't know how to explain this. I always explain it the same way, but that you see down here we have letters, right? And they've all got pixels like this, for example. Every single one's got a pixel. If there's a red letter here, it means that there can't be a letter from that space there. So like, for example, it can't be an A here because there's a red dot and a red dot there. It can't be like a, I don't know, a D here because there's a red dot here, etc. But I don't know what the word can be. It can be like a G or a C starting off, right? BH, yeah. What about like is that a word? Search. It can be an S first as well. What about it can't be a P first though. I had thought about perch, but it can't be. Got to be either an A or a C or an S or a G first. This is very difficult. It's very difficult. You guys got to help me out. Cool. Cargo? Can't be cargo, bro. Search? Yeah, it can't be like too many letters. I thought about that though. I did think it might be search, but I don't even know. Bro, come on, we need to end this stream right now. So, what's the setup? Oh, bro, that is a good guess. That's clutch, bro. Tutti Frutti, good stuff. Absolutely clutch. Killed it. Good shit. So, chat, that's going to be it from me today, man. We took a win. Absolute W's, and look at that, man. Great management as well. Absolutely huge. So, yeah, chat, that's very, very important. Good management, good trade, good take profit, everything. On point. Great analysis. All of that sort of stuff. So, yeah, good shit. Chat, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out. I hope all of you trade New York responsibly. And yeah, we'll see you tomorrow, same time as always. W value, and yeah, absolutely killed it. So appreciate you all very, very much. Have a great rest of the day, and yeah, see you all later. Oh, I'm gonna have to play an old classic. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Let me find it. Actually, bro, rewatching the trade, you were locked in, bro. I appreciate you, M10. Appreciate it, brother. Where's this classic old tune? You know what it is. I might have to search it. One sec. Here we go. Alright, peace out, chat. Enjoy the tunes. Much love. See you in a bit.
This is so weird, by the way.
Sex on the beach and a cocktail round here, brother. There's sand in the cheeks. 2 grand in a week, I'll take it. But real life, man, I want 2 grand when I speak. That's money. Me, I wanna make 2 grand when I breathe. That's money. If not, then I see it as P. 2 grand for a show, my brother. That's money. Quick text from the woman I love. Got drunk, put a batty on my private story. It's an inside joke when horny. Laughing it off, still drunk in the morning. Order something or 2, get a pizza. Life still bangs when you're living on money. Wake up next day, took a pic of myself, still clean, still looking like money. Out for the night, nice bottle of the Malbec. Quick board game with the boys, got heated. Can't play myself anymore, cause I played myself till I got completed. Len girl walked in, got seated. My boy looked up, had to tell him I cheated. But half of my body count secret, can't let a man think there. Cause my girl want me up with a kiss on her neck. Beg Nike, that ain't what I did for the check. 2-step, mic check, 5 figure for the set. Man like me, Katie and Harvey, my surname's pricey. Allow me a bank balance looking like the front of an Audi. 0 peak, shout me, hot box cloudy. I want so much P, I could outbid Saudi. I'm feeling myself. Next day wake up, still feeling like I'm feeling myself. If I walk with a smile, don't ask, cause ain't shit. I'm feeling myself. Next day still feeling like I'm feeling myself. If I walk with a smile, don't ask, cause ain't shit. Sex on the beach and a cocktail round here, brother. There's sand in the cheeks. 2 grand in a week, I'll take it. But real life, man, I want 2 grand when I speak. That's money. Me, I wanna make 2 grand when I breathe. That's money. If not, then I see it as P. 2 grand for a show, my brother. That's money. Quick text from the woman I love. Got drunk, put a batty on my private story. It's an inside joke when horny. Laughing it off, still drunk in the morning. Order something or 2, get a pizza. Life still bangs when you're living on money. Wake up next day, took a pic of myself, still clean, still looking like money. Still looking like money. Money. Still looking like money. Money. Still looking like money.
Chat, peace out, much love, appreciate you all very much. Have a great rest of the day, and yeah, go watch that Arctic review video if you haven't already. See you all later. Have a great time. Peace out.